I need to make a template for the marine ply that's going in as for the subfloor. And to do that I'm using various bits of old cardboard from deliveries, and I'm going to make a template from that and then use that to cut the shape out of the plywood. The way I'll do this is by focusing on small sections of the van, paying particular attention to the wheel arches. Each 10-minute video I make is condensed down from several hours of footage. Creating something that is watchable comes at the expense of detail. I've started posting stories on my Instagram to ensure that such detail isn't wasted. If you'd like to check it out, scan the QR code on screen or follow the link in the description. These two hand screws are what hold the light in on the back, so if I just remove that, then this will slide down and I can put it back in. Now I've just got to identify the areas that we're struggling with. So here we're fine. Here we're good, but over here and on that far corner we've got some issues. We're just a little bit too big. So it looks like here I want to just be taking a tiny bit off here, and over here, well, it looks as though this curve is too shallow, so I'll just cut those with the jigsaw and with another test fit. If you're enjoying these videos, please do subscribe. There's going to be plenty more to come in the next few weeks, and consider leaving a like as well. It shows YouTube that this is content that people want to watch, and it puts it out in more places. So I've cut the rebate into the side of this, and I now need to cut this piece. I need to take, I think it's 15 millimeters. Let's have a look. Fifteen and a half mil off of this one, and then I'll cut the reverse rebate so that it can slot down onto here. Marking where along the ridges this piece crosses over, so I know where to put my Sikaflex when I remove this, because I'm going to put the Sikaflex onto the van rather than onto the back of the underside of the wood. the next step is to use this foil tape to essentially tape up all of the seams and any of the punctures in the insulation where I've not been careful enough, and that will form the start of our vapour barrier, at least on the floor. Something that I reckon is probably quite important to do, I chanced upon this, just press on all of your bits of wood and make sure there's no creaking, because once you've covered everything up, there's no going back. It's going to be really hard to change.